Kung ikaw ay nag-action plan, nagplano, pero ang kakayahan lang ng iyong consciousness pang 50,000, no matter what you do, hanggang 50,000 lang yan. What's my problem with that? Ask me what? If you strategize only to the extent of 50,000, kung ikaw ay nag-action plan, nagplano, pero ang kakayahan lang ng iyong consciousness, ng iyong utak, ng iyong puso ay pang 50,000, no matter what you do, hanggang 50,000 lang yan. Ask me why. Ang kamalayan, pang 50,000. Are you guys with me? The moment I started to realize that, I started to change. Everybody say the word change. Standards. Wag muna strategy. Standard muna. Ask me why. Kasi yung 50,000, maybe alam ko na yan, pero yung 100,000 during that time, hindi ko pa alam. What did I do? Can I share with you? Started to put myself into exposure. In-expose ko yung sarili ko. Paano nga ba kumita ng 100K? Paano nga ba kumita ng 500K? Paano nga ba kumita ng 1,000,000? Are you guys with me? You gotta start it with getting real people. Can I make a suggestion? Pag uwi nyo, mag-check na kayo. Kung may sasamahan lang kayo, ang samahan nyo yung taong nakagawa na ng 100K, 300K, 500K, 1 million on a monthly basis.